all the admin. So what the courses what we are starting, I'm giving just a synopsis of it, so that
Sure.
the participant can understand what actually they are going to learn. So first here we said rare classical Parashara fundamentals. Parashara fundamentals are there. Why it is rare? Because the meaning is not understood by many people. It the translations given by or Santanam or any other person, because everybody has just simply copied. One person has translated, everybody copied the same thing. So in Telugu, also it is done same thing. In Hindi also it is done same thing. And apart from it, some people used their illogical logic into it and then translated it, and they have totally dismantled the structure of Parashara. So what I mean by rare classical Parashara means nothing new one, not rare somewhere found. No, what is there already existing in the slokas only we'll be talking about it. But how it is misinterpreted, then how it should be rightly interpreted, and then how it is should be applied. This will be touching. That's why we call it as Rash. That is why we call it as rare classical Parashara fundamentals. So it is a heading actually, right? But we have put a star there as if we are going to teach something rare fundamentals. No, not rare fundamentals. It is some rarity in the fundamentals which people have not understood it. That we are bringing it back. In that, first thing is Rashi based Sanchita Karma. You can ask me what is Rashi based Sanchita Karma. You can ask me, no question. Anybody can ask. You will also must be getting the doubt. See what is
Yes,
happening.
sir.
Yes, we have 12 signs, isn't it?
Yes,
In
sir.
12 signs, we have got some symbols. Some are human symbols, some are water symbols, and some are that is animal symbol, right? And some are kita symbol.
Yes.
The kita means like insect.
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 So based on these symbols, they have given Kendra balas. Only for Kendras they given bala. For example, human science, all the human science, they have considering it as strong. If they become strong if they get Lagnadipatya. Okay, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so now, what is human science? Human science are Gemini, right? Virgo, Libra, then half sign of Sagittarius, then Aquarius. These are all human signs. When they become Lagna, it becomes strong, they say. So this is one of the strength. This is nothing to do with the Graha balas. It is sign balas, very fundamental things which in Parashara, it is very secretly has told in a sloka. That is, he should take signs, nakshatra, everything you have to take. Studying other samhitas, he said. So other samhita we don't want to read because we don't know what is samhita. Therefore, we don't want to read. We have got Parashara that too translated in English by so by Indian English people. Then foreigners, everybody has translated Parashara. We are reading only English. Therefore, where we have got our own meaning, English meaning, we have used our own English words. So based on that, we have learned it. We really do not understand what exactly the sign-based strengths are. So these sign-based strengths are when it becomes human science strong. Suppose any other sign becomes Lagna, what is then? Human science 100%. So what is the other sign? Suppose if it is a human sign, if it is a water sign, what will be the strength? So then what is that? Suppose let us say, for example, human sign Mithuna, right? 100% strength. Suppose if the water sign becomes, what happens? So then there is a strength for water sign. What is water sign? If water sign becomes fourth house, it gets the strength. Say, okay, understood? Water sign. If they get fourth house, they get 100% strength.
Yes, sir.
Then only one sign is there, Kita sign. Kita sign is only Vrishchika. If that becomes seventh sign, it will get 100% strength. Then all animal signs will get 100% strength, it will become 10th house. These only Kendras are there. What about other houses strength? So that we have to find. So if they watery signs become fourth house, they get strength. So there are other things. Only four, 1, 4, 7 only we are talking. Seventh sign with Ketaka sign. Ketaka is only one. That is only Vrishchika is called Ketaka sign. So that means if Vrishchika will become seventh house, 100%. Then all animal signs, that is Mesha, Vrishabha, Simha, right? Half of the Dhanush, then half animal sign in Makara. All and then all this becomes it becomes 100% strength when they get 10th house.
Yes, sir.
So why this strength is required? Because the moment you put the lagna, no planets are there. Only lagna we have created all the 12 houses. 12 houses Sanchita karma. Therefore, Sanchita based, Rashi based Sanchita karma. Rashi based, that is the first one. Rashi based Sanchita karma. The sign based Kendra Bala distributed to Rashi. That means this Kendra Bala, what I told you, if it is distributed to all the 12 houses from the lagna, you get certain strength for the Sanchita karma. What is the strength of the Sanchita karma? Did you understand or not? You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. No, that means once you know that what is Sanchita karma, what is the strength of the Sanchita, how much it is going to act upon you, then it is easy to understand how you can work in this Janma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a fundamental principle of the Parashara which is not being taught anywhere else. Right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next thing is, you have got Dashanga Yukta Jiva chart. What is that? Now you are born on a particular day. Twinkle has born someday, and Chandrasekhar has born someday. And those who is going to participate next year, they also will have certain date of birth, right? Isn't it? They are all bothered about a lagna from their 12 houses, then Baba analysis. Oh, this fellow is bad, that fellow is good. And if these two planets put together, what result will be there? They are worried about it. But on that day when they are born, it is an incident, right?
Yes, sir.
It is an incident.
Yes.
What is an incident? It is an incident. It is a muhurta. Because on that day there is a nakshatra,
Yes, sir.
there is a vara, there is a tithi, there is a yoga, there is a karna. On that day, this panchanga is there. On that panchanga day you are born. That is, you have selected a muhurta, you have selected a day on that day, isn't it? And even muhurta also, so much garbage is there, because only there you ask muhurta, they'll say only panchanga. But there is another anga, that is one panchanga, then the samayanga. This panchanga for day, samayanga. Then other five components are there for time. What is that? Lagna. 2 hours, lagna. Hora, 1 hour. 48 minutes muhurta. 24 minutes nadika. Then tattva, 6, 12, 18, 18, 24, 30. Right? So that minutes, tattva, that will be cycling,
Yes.
rotating. So you will get these five time factors. So all these things you'll have, you have selected the time also, you have selected tattva also. That is, you have selected a lagna, you have selected a hora, you have selected a muhurta, you have selected a nadika, and you have selected a tattva when you are born. When you have selected that muhurta, that must be having some effect on you.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely, it is affecting, but we are not bothered about it. We just wanted to know when I am going to get married, how many marriages I will have, to win, which lottery will I get a lottery. Only these questions they are putting, they are making astrology as a mockery. They are making it a lottery ticket prescription. Some people are making that is for share marketing, all these things. But this is totally a karma theory. It is meant for progress of the jiva. Nobody bothered. Let's say Dashanga Yukta Jiva chart, that will be discussed here. These two most important factors. One is Sanchita karma. Another is what is your level of your jiva evolution. What is that you have decided to do here? That we are bringing it here. These two are the most important factors, which so far nobody has done it.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
next third is classical classification of planets. Now you ask anybody, Shubha, Papa, right? Benefic, malefic. In fact, there is a meaning, malefic, there is no word as malefic. Because benefic, there is no pag. Beneficial or malicious. So that they have converted into, they have made into some sort of English, geography English, and then they started doing it. That is malefic, benefic. So Parashara wanted to give a classification, first fundamental classification in the area class Krura and Soumya, which is why it is, that is to be discussed. That is the third point,
Yes.
right? That classification itself is wrong. Then, based on that, Bhava analysis will be there. Based on this classification, Bhava analysis. In Bhava analysis, first should we know what is the first house? What is first house?
Lagna Tanu. Yes.
Yes.
Livelihood.
Longevity, livelihood, character, right?
Yes.
Right, sir.
Skills, not knowledge, skills.
Yes, skills, sir.
Skills only.
Skills, sir.
Why? Because to livelihood. So then you have rupa, that is your color, then your
Yes.
constitution,
Right.
your health, constitution. So all these matters are there, but all these matters are again ruled by some planets.
Yes.
So that classification, unless you know the bhava class, and then in this, certain things are belonging to self, certain things are belonging to opposite person. So there are two persons, Bhakya and Antra. Antra means all related to your own self. Bhakya means all that you gain from external vidya, knowledge, then other person, all this is by Bhakya. So what internally you do it, internal expression, that is your internal. Antarbhava,
Yes.
Bhakya bhava.
And Bahya Bhava.
Then again you have got classification in it. One is what is expressive, what is not expressive, then what is material matter. So all these things will be there. So this bhava analysis, that first bhava classification is to be done. Then analysis. Right?
Yes.
So the
Yes.
bhava analysis itself will take a longer time. Right? Okay. No. Then afterwards, the next section comes Adipatya and Karaka classification. Adipatya. Yeah, see what bhava planet is different. Bhava is related to planets.
Right.
Adipatya is related to, that is, he is the ruler of the bhava. So what he does with the rulership is totally different. Right? As a ruler, what he does is different. A ruler is a different. A bhava for Lagnadipati is different from a planet. Lagnadipati means it can be any Lagna. Isn't it? Out
Yes,
of 12 bhavas, it can be any Lagna.
Yes, sir.
So, Lagnadipati, that's why Lagnadipati. When I say Lagnadipati, I am not bothered about which particular Lagna. I am talking about Lagnadipati only. There is a dignity for a planet. For all the 7 planets, this dignity is there. Lagnadipati is there. Even Rahu Ketu also takes up certain Lagnadipati when they are alone. That is also there. So when they become Lord, what they do? They have a qualities. As a Krura Soumya, they do something to the bhava. But when they become Lord, they are silent. It has to be seen in a different way, what they are going to do with that. Because
Yes, sir.
as a cruel, he is also cruel. He is a cruel, but he himself is the Lord of that house. So what he does is totally different. So what he does to his bhava, what he does to others is totally different. मैं मेरे घर के लिए क्या करता हूँ डिफरेंट है, मैं दूसरों के घर में क्या करूंगा वो मेरे गुण के ऊपर आधार है. If I am a good person, I will also do good to others. If I am a bad person, I will do good to my own house only, but not to others. So this the classification also will be taught there. Then Karaka. What is a Karaka? Now there is in Parashara very beginning he says he will Graha Varana, Graha Devata, Graha Linga Bheda. These are not Karakatva. You ask anybody, in Karakatva they say that is sun indicates indicate color. That sun indicates certain color. Is it not? It is not a Karakatva. It is his quality. Qualities are different and Karakatva is different. Now we ask anybody Karakatva, they will tell everything. They will tell color, is the Karaka for the color, everything will they say. And Buddha is Karaka, Karakatva is different, Karaka is different. That is, Buddha's quality are different and his Karakatva is different. So we have no differentiation that way. Simply say sun represents to father. Sun represents father. Sun is Karaka for the Bhava Karaka. For it is a Bhava Karaka. Sun as a governing planet. Right? Then he is a king. He is a king, his quality. It is not his Karakatva. Dignity is his Karakatva. So there is a differentiation. What is his quality and what is his Karakatva? What he does, what is his quality. With the quality, he does the Karakatva. Okay, right? So,
Yes, sir.
that means Karakatva, that is quality is different, Karakatva is different. And you ask anybody, in especially our great Nadi people say everything Karakatva, everything, including that his qualities, everything they get in Karakatva. So the Karaka is different, Karaka is different, Karakatva is different. Then Bhava Karaka, that is for every Bhava, there is a particular person is represented basically. For example, Putra Bhava means it represents children. For that, Karaka means that is who provides or who tells something about that particular person, represented by Bhava. That is Bhava Karaka. So that is different again. That Bhava Karaka, that is Karakatva, then Guna. These are different. That classification has to come into picture. That clarification will give lot of clarity about what we are doing. Yeah.
So why we are preferring Jataka Narayaniyam and Vasishta Ganapati, these things?
Yeah, because I'll tell you, Parashara has given very concise manner that Vyokarakas, right? With such particular view he has given. That Narayana has classified for material matters. And Vasishta Ganapati has taken
Yes, sir.
material as well as relational matter, both put together he has done. Therefore, these two are classification of main for what Parashara said, they are extensions.
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
so these, unless you know all these three yogas, you will not be able to relate to the dasha, what sort of a dasha you are going to understand. What is that good? As yoga karaka is different, as dasha planet is different, as bhukti planet is different, as karaka is different, as bhava karaka is different, as guna of the planet is different, or kura and soumya is different. So many categories will be there for a planet. So they will act differently in different
Yes.
activities. So these are the things which you are going to learn. There is nothing. Yes, every person knows what is Parashara. Now what you will be seeing, what you will be seeing is the real Parashara. It will be thrilled. Now the Russians are commenting because first time they are hearing many things. So that's why they are thrilled. So our students will also be thrilled when they listen to all these things. When they go, so they will understand how much they have missed in the process. So so therefore we are trying. This is a missing link in Parashara, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what we are going to teach. This will be for about 24 to 28 weeks. I'm giving it.